Do you want to know how you can log into your Liberty Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Liberty Payroll account. Go ahead and open search bar and then go to Liberty Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Liberty Payroll Solutions. Then you must click on a link which is Evolution Payroll Login. So go ahead and click on this link over here. After you click on that link, it will take you to this site which is the official login portal of Liberty Payroll account, as you can see. So go ahead and write down your user credentials. The first step is to write down your username. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box and then go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this eye icon besides password. After you write down your username and password associated with your Liberty Payroll account, go ahead and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Liberty Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and click request reset link. After you write down your email address, a mail will be sent to you by Liberty and then you can reset your account quite easily. So guys, this is how you log into your Liberty Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.